In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post to your Instagram account from Facebook, and that's coming up right now. So how do we post on Instagram from our Facebook account? Well, the short answer is they don't necessarily make it overly easy to do, but that's what this video is all about, explaining you how to post on your Instagram account from Facebook. So when I have this post all ready to go on Facebook, they don't give me the option to tick a little button that will also post it to my Instagram feed. The only really options I have is to determine, do I want to send it to my friends or make it public or private. So they don't actually allow me to tick a little button to send it to Instagram. Whereas if we're trying to do it the reverse way on Instagram, I have that same post ready. I can tick the button here where I've linked my Facebook account and it goes to both. So there is a solution, but it has to be done via the desktop.
And here we are on the desktop version of Facebook. So we start by just creating a post as per normal. And if we try and create the post just in the normal way here, it's not going to let us do it. We want to be able to sort of have the option to tick that button that's going to also post it to Instagram. So we need to click on the publishing tool button down the bottom. So when we click on this new publishing tool button, it opens up a new interface and allows us a whole range of new options. So you can see all the different options down here on the left-hand side, but I want to keep it very simple in this one. Publish post, the top right, we're going to click create a post. So it's pretty straightforward. Just follow the blue icon. So it brings up this new page here. Now, if and when you log into your Facebook account here on the desktop, if you have a similar login account or email address to your Instagram, it will pop up here. So you'll allow you to sync them both together. So that's only a one-off. But you can now see the options it's allowing me by ticking the boxes. I now get the options where I want to create and send a post to. So I could just send it directly to my Facebook page by having the Facebook page button ticked. I could equally tick the box and it will go to my Instagram account and page as well. So you can do both of them. And believe it or not, you can untick the Facebook one and just have it going directly to your Instagram page or your Instagram account. How good is that? So, but you do miss out on some of the filtering and things like that, the filtering options and emojis and color palettes, and by doing it all on your mobile device. But this is a good workaround, a good way to sort of get this process done. Now I've selected that 6-second little or 5-second little video clip that I've been utilizing in this example. You can see it's showing over here in the preview box. Now I'll just write some short, sharp, quick information on it. So I've added some text. Tip number 1 to growing your YouTube channel is to record and upload at least one video per week. So I've added a couple of hashtags as well. I'll keep it short, sharp, and sweet. So let's click publish. And it says your post has been published. So let me now log back into Instagram and you can see how that's now gone live.
And back on Instagram we are, and here is that post. And if I tap on the post, there we go. It's that 5-second little video, and we can read the copy down the bottom. Tip number 1 to growing your YouTube channel is to record and upload at least one videos per week. So there we go. How cool was that? So there we go. Hopefully I have explained to you and shown you a new way on how you can keep updating your content to your Instagram page, making it a whole lot easier because we can actually utilize Facebook for doing that. The desktop publishing tool on Facebook, it makes it a lot easier for some of us than actually using the mobile phone in the app as well. One of the benefits of it, as I explained in this video as well, is you can be posting to your Facebook page and your Instagram page at the same time as well. So for all of you business owners and brands and content creators out there who say you don't have enough time to do all of this and it's hard work, I agree to an extent, but there are some tools and they're very simple ways that we can, or simple things that we can be doing to make and speed up all of that process. So we shouldn't be utilizing it as an excuse. So what I'd like you to do, if you're watching this video on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and tick the little bell icon. No matter which of the social media platforms you are watching this on, you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, leave me a comment. Let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. And if you have some simple and easy tips and tricks that you're utilizing on your Instagram account and your Instagram business, I'd love to hear about them as well. So maybe even send me a direct message on Instagram. Mark Warnken, Social Media Selling 123 signing off. I look forward to seeing you again real soon in another one of my videos.